few words of my own, but Varun, after I heard what you just said, I'm so amazed, and I really want to applaud you for battling through your experiences and being able to overcome and now be on a platform where you can inspire. Your words touched me. I actually I could feel what you must have gone through. And if I could be touched, if I could somewhere, in some way, identify with what you went through, I am very, very sure that there are millions others just like you, me, who do not know that they might be suffering from something that is clinical, which is not their fault, and they can speak about it. They can reach out. It is not something to be awkward about. It's not something to feel less about. It is a problem, I would say, I would give you, each one of us, first of all, we are not talking about other people here. We are talking about me. We are talking about you. We are talking about us. Each one of us, at some point in our lives, is going to go through a knee problem, elbow problem, back problem, neck problem. These are problems we are unafraid and unapologetic to talk about. But we are also going to go through, at some point in our lives, deep anxiety, depression, chaos, confusion, addictive behavior. And though we know we are going to go through this, we are going to not allow ourselves to talk about the problems that deal with this part of our body, the brain. Why? Because we have been conditioned since birth that it is something to feel embarrassed about. And that is what we need to stamp out. We need to stamp out that stigma. We need to set ourselves free. We need to educate people. My congratulations to Neerja and her daughter Ananya for this incredibly noble initiative. Thank you, and it could not have been more timely, because I genuinely feel that mental health is a factor that is going to have an enormous influence on our future. As a society, I think we are going into like a danger zone, if I may say, where mental health is concerned. I have chosen to be associated with this cause because I have seen this problem from very close quarters. I have an understanding of the jubilation when you understand that it's not your fault, and the fact that it can be cured. And when I say cure, when I'm saying this, I'm not really talking about a big illness. It could be really small. It could be, you could be depressed for no reason. You can't understand what the reason is. And you need to talk about it. So thank you for making me a part of this. The greatest challenge that the experts and the doctors have in this field is of creating awareness, is of stamping out that stigma, which is why I have chosen to be associated with this, because if my presence can help take this message to a few more people, I will be very, very happy. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, and we have a little film that I shot, which I think we can play now. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.